Hello everyone, welcome back to our stable diffusion tutorial series. In this part, I will explain how to refine specific areas of an image using local redrawing, how to use ADetailer, how to use ControlNet on MimicPC, and how pre-installed plugins on MimicPC helps you. So first of all, let's see concepts of local redrawing. Local redrawing allows you to improve or repair certain sections of an image without regenerating the entire image. Local redrawing tools include Sketch, InPaint Sketch, and InPaint Upload. Let's begin with the InPaint feature. InPainting allows you to modify specific areas of an image. Assume you've created an image with most of it looking excellent, but there's one minor thing you'd like to modify. Instead of regenerating the entire image, use InPaint to fix only that section. For example, I'd like to change the hair colors in this existing image. I will upload this image to the InPaint tab. So now we can just paint over the area of the image that we want to change. The top right corner has settings such as brush size, reset, and undo, so we'll just paint over the hair. Enter a positive prompt in the following box and click Generate. As you can see, our generated image has completely different hair colors. Next up is the InPaint Sketch tab, which gives you even more control over the image editing process. So for example, I'd like to add a scarf to this existing image. We can paint over the image, however, we also have the choice of choosing colors. So let's go with blue and just paint the area where we'd like to put our scarf. Also, enter a positive prompt in the following box and click Generate. As you can see, our image now features a blue scarf. The InPaint Upload function offers much greater flexibility. This lets you upload two images. The reference image is shown first, followed by an external mask image of it. Here is an example of it. You can make this mask with applications like Photopea. Black for the parts you want to keep, white for the ones you want to change. Enter a positive prompt in the following box, then click Generate. As you can see, our generated image has an entirely different background. Finally, let's look at the Sketch tab, which allows you to freely sketch and edit parts of an image. Simply upload a white mask to this box and use the paintbrush to sketch out your idea. Match the drawing with your prompt and click Generate. And now our generated image is ready. Now, let's look at how to use the ADetailer extension to fix blurry or deformed faces. First, we need an image with a blurred face. Enter a positive and negative prompt in the following boxes. Choose any sampling method and schedule type. Finally, click Generate and wait for the results. As you can see, our image shows a distorted face. Now let's use the ADetailer to improve the face. Enable the ADetailer extension. Before continue, make sure you use the same seed picture for the next generation. From here, you can select a suitable detection model. They are classified into several categories, including face, hand, person, and MediaPipe_face. Because we need to change the face, we'll choose the face model. The prompt sections are given below. The first box is the positive prompt. Here, you should focus on exactly what you want to improve. For example, we want to fix a distorted face, so my prompt would be detailed face and Italian woman face. You can also mention Laura's in this prompt section. The second box is the negative prompt. As of now, we will keep that empty. Finally, click Generate and wait for the results. As you can see, the face in our image has been enhanced. Here is a side-by-side image comparison. Now, let's see how to use ControlNet. It's a really powerful extension within MimicPC. ControlNet operates by capturing reference photos that you upload, converting them to control maps, and then creating new images that match your reference. Before we begin generating images, let us first understand some essential functions. This is where you upload a reference image, which will be used to generate control maps based on the model type you choose. The Enable checkbox determines whether the extension is active or inactive. Low VRAM improves ControlNet quality and allows you to use ControlNet extensions even with limited VRAM. Pixel Perfect improves control map accuracy by automatically matching the resolution to the reference image. The control type allows you to filter the pre-processes based on the model category you've selected, whereas selecting all allows all the pre-processes to be selected at once. Finally, the preview option displays a preview of the control map effect on a provided image. You may also use this orange icon to preview the control map. Let's look at an example of how ControlNet can be used in practice. I already have an image of a model in a particular posture. I'll drag and drop this image into ControlNet. Choose VRAM and Pixel Perfect options for better generations. I'll pick Open Pose Control Type and make minor changes to my prompt. For example, add a beard and change the background to cruise. To see a preview of the control map, click the orange icon. We can even modify the control map according to our needs, thanks to MimicPC's pre-installed plugins. Finally, click Generate and wait for the results. As you can see, our image have the same posture. Here is a side-by-side image comparison. In this step, we'll highlight the benefits of having all of the necessary tools pre-installed on MimicPC, unlike many platforms where you need to manually install multiple plugins. MimicPC comes pre-installed with local redrawing and ADetailer, ControlNet, and a variety of other extensions. This not only saves you time, but also improves the user experience by ensuring that everything functions together effortlessly. With these tools pre-installed, you can jump straight into refining your images without the hassle of additional setup. This feature increases productivity by allowing you to focus on your creative process rather than technical concerns. Enjoy the efficiency and reliability that comes with having these powerful tools built right into MimicPC. That ends today's tutorial. We've explored powerful tools on MimicPC for precise image generation. By mastering local redrawing after detailer and ControlNet, you can greatly enhance your images and reduce the need for multiple attempts. These tools help you refine details and achieve the exact result you want efficiently. Keep experimenting with these features to fully harness the capabilities of Stable Diffusion and elevate your creative process. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.